can't believe we're going to make today's deadline for delivering these helicopter parts.
Yeah, all those production delays, but we made it.
I just hope we get a chance for a little beach time while we're there. After all this work, I could use a little R&R.
Hello, folks. This is your captain speaking. We're anticipating a smooth flight today and expect to arrive at our destination in approximately 6 hours. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. We're encountering some rough weather, so if you're up and about in the cabin, I need to ask you to take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Folks, this storm is bigger than we thought. It's not safe to fly through, and we don't have enough fuel to fly around it. Looks like we're going to have to land the plane. This could get a little bumpy, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Great job landing the plane, Captain.
Thank you. We were lucky no one was hurt. But the plane's controls are damaged beyond repair, and I can't radio for help. I don't know how anyone's going to find us.
They might not need to.
What do you mean?
Do you think we can find all the parts we were transporting? If we can find the parts, we can assemble the helicopter and fly out of here.
Great idea. Let's start looking.